what is RMS current. Till now, what we have studied, what was the problem with alternating with the average current. See, in average current, it was a problem that we came to know that we are not able to define for a complete cycle. We are taking for only for a half cycle, because what was the problem? Problem was that one cycle was positive and one was negative, and they were cancelling each other. So what we did, we said that find the average, okay, square it. If we square it, what will happen? This negative will come to positive. This negative will come to positive. Okay, we square it, what will happen? It will come to be positive. Then we said that if we make it positive, we will say that in 0 to t by t time, what is the heat supplied by this alternating current? We say like this, the heat supplied by this alternating current, we can say like this. Suppose we say like this, heat supplied by this alternating current, we can say like this, I square R into dt from 0 to t. This is the heat supplied by this alternating current. See, it is I is equal to I naught sine omega t. We will put it here, I square R, I the resistance of a circuit. We will get the heat supplied by this alternating current. If the same amount of heat is supplied by some average value, some steady value, some fixed value, constant value of current, we say it as RMS current. Same value of the same, some steady value of the current which produces same amount of heat energy that is produced by this alternating cycle in complete cycle. So we can say that this constant value IRMS square R into T. This value and this value, when it comes to be equal, then we define that this value, steady value, is called as RMS current. Okay. So what are the important points that we should remember here? Important point is that you see here, it is defined in terms of amount of heat energy. Remember this. And in one complete time interval, that one complete time cycle, okay, 0 to t, not half cycle. Okay, this is the difference between the RMS current and average current. Any problem till now? Okay, any problem till now? I am explaining just for, okay, now one important thing, important point one, that suppose we have to measure alternating current, or we have to measure alternating voltage. Suppose we have to measure alternating voltage. What happens when measuring alternating current? We know that a current we use for DC. What we do to measure a current? We use ammeter. That we know. To measure voltage, what we do? We use voltmeter in case of direct current. So for alternating current, what we do? To measure the alternating current, what we do? We use hot wire instrument, that is hot wire ammeter. You should remember this. To measure alternating current, we are not using simple ammeter. We use hot wire ammeter. And to measure the alternating voltage, what we use? Hot wire voltmeter. Hot wire voltmeter. This you should remember. Okay? Getting? Anna?